Hello everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing of Vivitar battery grip. So my channel is not about cameras, but I'm going to do this unboxing just for you to see what we have here. This is a Vivitar battery grip for G85, so I have here the G85 and the battery grip. And I'm also going to do an unboxing for the Patona battery, which is a replacement battery for G85. Okay, so let's open this box, see how it works, and we're gonna install it on the camera. I bought it from B&H. Let's open the box. Okay, the box is open. There's something here. We'll cut it. Okay, on the other side as well. Okay, we open. Let's see what's in the box. What we see here is the battery grip. Okay, this is the battery grip. So this is for the tripod. I don't know what this button is for. And I think it's for taking shots. Another battery. Okay, so I have to remove this off. Okay, and now I'm going to unbox the Patona battery grip. So this is how the Patona comes. I bought the Patona battery because I already had two cameras using Patona replacement and they were good. I bought a Chinese battery and it was just terrible. So this brand, I know it works. It's like less than half the price of an original one, so that's why I buy it. Comes like this. I'm not going to use this one because this one is not charged. It's actually new. Just open it out of the box. So I'm going to use the one that I already charged. I'm going to put it in the battery grip. Here. As you can see. I have to put it like this. Close the battery grip. Close the battery grip and it's here. So I have, again, just to press the battery inside. There's a clips here. Press it inside, and then you close the grip. Now I have to connect it to the camera. So I have to remove this rubber. There's already a battery inside the camera. There's already a battery inside the camera. I'm moving this rubber. Okay, and I'm connecting the grip. Okay. Okay, let's see what I'm doing. It's not easy filming it. Okay, so let's see how I'm. Okay, so I have here this part. It's the first time I'm seeing it. I have here this part so I can screw it in. Okay. So let's twist it slowly. Let's screw it in. Okay. Okay. That's in. So the camera looks like this. It is strong. Looks strong, looks good. There's a battery inside the camera, a battery in the battery grip. It's not waterproof, so I wouldn't use it outside when it rains or if you have sand or something like that. Let's just open the battery, open the camera. There's no memory card, but you see, I don't know how to see if, okay, so you see BJ, you see there's BJ here. BJ means the battery grip is connected. So that is it. What do I have to say about the Vivitar? I don't know much, but I've seen a few battery grips. It looks okay. I'm not going to use it outside. I'm not a professional photographer. I just want to have the ability to use my camera for 1 hour and 20 minutes, or if I could for more. And I want to do something that looks normal to the camera, that is easy to connect. So I bought 2 extra Patona batteries. I bought this battery grip from B&H, which is Vivitar brand. You can see here. Actually bought a different one, but I made a mistake. And that is it. The battery grip looks great. It's usable. Let's see what the function buttons are able to do. Let's see what's this. There's no memory card. So I'll just bring a memory card and I'll be back.